Now, a team of World Health Organization experts is on its way to Turkmenistan, one of the most insular and secretive states in the world. Despite high rates of coronavirus in neighbouring Iran and Afghanistan, Turkmenistan has not yet reported a single case of COVID-19. Independent media reports claim there is a surge in cases of acute pneumonia, though. The BBC's Reyhan Dimitri reports.
There are no reports about coronavirus in Turkmenistan because officially it doesn't exist here. The only information about healthcare is what gets shown on state television, like the opening of this hospital by the president's son. Now the World Health Organization will get a chance to assess whether the country is really coronavirus-free. After weeks of waiting, a team of medical experts has finally been allowed into the country.
Yes, we would have very much liked to have gone earlier. So indeed, end of May was when we initially talked about going and when we had the initial discussions with the government of Turkmenistan and the invitation to travel there. However, the logistics issues have been the main issue hampering our movement.
Turkmenistan closed its borders back in February and quarantined people entering the country. But independent information about how effective these measures have been is limited. This mobile footage shows cramped and unsanitary living conditions inside quarantine tents.
More and more independent news sources report of these cases of death of people, and cases when the whole hospitals are being closed for quarantine with people and with doctors inside the hospitals.
Amnesty International describes Turkmenistan as one of the most authoritarian countries in the world. Its president, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, has built a cult of personality and is often seen giving orders and reprimanding his officials. The state paints a picture of prosperity, but daily life for ordinary Turkmens, such as bread queues like this one, show a different reality: worsening economic conditions and denial about the global pandemic. Reyhan Dimitri, BBC News.
British museums, galleries and theatres are getting almost $2 billion